Hello students, I am Suman. Today we will discuss class 8 physics lesson 13 sound part 2. Previously we have seen the half what is sound and what are the ways by which we can the sound travel from one place to another place. And there are four ways. The production of sound is four ways. It is by vibrating membranes, by vibrating air, by vibrating string, or the tuning fork. Today we will see the sound produced by human. Sound, the organs through which the sound produced, it is larynx or the voice box. And there are two vocal cords in a voice box, and when the air come out, the vocal cords, the narrow slits becomes very narrow, and when the air come through this narrow slit, there is a sound produced. So this is the production of sound by human being. Other topic is sound needs the material medium. Simply we will take a bell jar, and in bell jar we will put one bell, and this is connected through electricity, and as we switch on, the bell is, and there is a vacuum pump, and this is valve, as we switch on, the bell start ringing inside this bell jar. Before there is air inside it, so we can hear the sound. The sound will come out through this bell jar. This is the first case. The next case, when there is no air inside this bell jar and all the air is evacuated through vacuum pump, then as we switch on, here the bell will ring inside the bell jar, but the sound will not come out. What are the reason? The reason is that sound needs a material medium, and without material medium, sound cannot propagate through one place to the other place. As I told before, the sound can travel all three mediums. It can travel through air, means gaseous medium. It can also travel through a liquid medium, and sound also can travel through a solid medium. And the different medium have a different speed of a sound. The speed of sound is different in different medium. Generally, if you take air, the speed of sound is 330 meter per second to 340 meter per second. This is the normal speed of the sound in air. Liquid, it is about 1500 meter per second. It is the speed of sound in air about 1500 meter per second. And solid, it is about 6000 meter per second. Here, as you are watching, that if the density of medium is increased, as the density of medium increase, the speed of sound increase at the sample. In a liquid, there are different kinds of liquid. It is water, milk, oil, alcohol, acid. Different kinds of speed have a different velocity. But we'll see here about 1500 meter per second. So the speed of sound almost 1500 meter per second in all the kinds of liquid and solid. In solid, the maximum speed of sound in solid, and it is steel. And steel has a maximum speed of a sound. Now, the sound can hear by human being, and it is human ear. Sound, human ear. The organ, we have different kinds of the organs like eye, ear, skin, tongue. These are the some organs, and we can hear the sound with the help of our ear, human ear. Our ear is divided into three parts. The external part, then the middle part, and the inner part. The three part of here. This is external part, which we can see, and this part is known as pinna. This is middle part, anvil, and this is hammer and eardrum, and this is internal part. There is a liquid field inside this, and this is known as cochlea. And this is connected through auditory nerve. This is connected through auditory nerve. As the sound produced around our ear, the outer ear pinna is collected this sound. This sound is collected by the pinna, and this sound is sent through this canal. As this sound enters through canal, means this is external part, this is middle part, and this is inner part. This is three part of the ear: inner, external part, middle part, and inner part. External part consists with what we see outside our it is our connected to our head, and this is known as pinna. The internal part, there is eardrum, anvil, and hammer, and then internal part is the cochlea, and there is a kinds of liquid inside this cochlea, and it is connected to the auditory nerve. As the sound collected through our external ear, it sent into the middle ear through canal, and there is a vibration. There is a vibration in this eardrum, and because the eardrum connected through hammer, and it send a signal, and this signal enter our ear through this liquid, and when this vibration, once when vibration start, the sound reaches our brain through this auditory nerves. So this kinds we can have the sound, and this is the working of our ear. The construction of our ear is external ear, middle ear, and inner ear. External ear is pinna, and middle ear eardrum, anvil, and hammer, and internal ear the liquid cochlea and the auditory nerve is connected through our brain, and we can listen the different kinds of the sounds. So for today's, the next day we'll discuss the next topic of this chapter. Till then, thank you.